positive and negative deviations from Raoult's law, or positive negative deviated solutions. Ideal solution exactly obey Raoult's law. It never exhibit deviation. But non-ideal solutions, they exhibit positive or negative deviations. When non-ideal solution is formed, suppose AB solution is formed from A and B liquids. Here AB interactions are weak interactions. Then more number of molecules in vapor phase, they escape from liquid phase to vapor phase. More number of molecules in vapor phase means vapor pressure increases. If we draw graph between vapor pressure and mole fraction of the components, suppose it follow the Raoult's law, then it linearly vary. For first component, as mole fraction increases, vapor pressure increases. First component chi1, that is equal to 0, chi1 is equal to 1. As mole fraction increases, vapor pressure increases. Second component chi2, in reverse, as mole fraction of second component increases, vapor pressure increases. Okay. And solution vapor pressure varies like this. Suppose this one is P1, P2, solution vapor pressure P1, that is equal to P1 plus P2. In case of this weak interactions present and vapor pressure increases, then both the components pressure increases. Vapor pressure increases. And solution vapor pressure is also increases. Such type of deviations, here vapor pressure increases, such type of deviations are called positive deviations. Okay. If weak interactions are present, then it exhibit positive deviation. For this, delta H value is positive endothermic reaction, and the delta V value, that is also positive. Suppose 2 ml, 3 ml liquid A, B, these are mixed. Here formed solution not equal to 5 ml. It is greater than 5 ml. That is about positive deviation solution. Next, negative deviation solution. Suppose this one is solution formed by mixing liquid A and B. Here AB interactions, these are strong than AA and BB interactions. Because these interactions are strong, less number of molecules present in vapor phase. Here less molecules means vapor pressure decreases. Suppose we draw a graph. Between vapor pressure and mole fraction. This one is the ideal solution graph. Here, due to strong interactions, vapor pressure decreases for first component and second component. So solution vapor pressure is also decreases. So these are show negative deviation. This one is the negative deviation from the Raoult's law. For this type of solutions, strong interactions are present between individual components. Example for this, chloroform and benzene, water and ethyl alcohol, water and methyl alcohol, water and H2SO4. These are show negative deviations. Okay. For these solutions, delta H value negative, delta V value negative. Delta H negative means this one is exothermic reaction. Delta H negative, delta V negative, that means 2 plus 3, it never equal to 5 ml. It is less than 5 ml, that is 4.9 ml or 4.8 ml. These are the positive negative deviations of solutions. Okay, subscribe my channel to get more videos related chemistry. Thank you.